dropped me off at my car because my husband brought it to work. We only brought one car down, so I'm now going to town to go shopping. It's only 8:45, so I was up and at 'em nice and early so we can get there early and then hopefully avoid some crowds. I don't know what I'm really looking for today. Definitely some Christmas presents, and then I need a few more things for snowmobiling. And then I have a balaclava that I want to return to Costco, so I might hit up Costco if I feel like it, but Costco is definitely one of those things that I have to be in the mood for, so we'll see. And then I also want to get a coffee somewhere. I can't decide if I want Starbucks or Tim Hortons, but Starbucks, like, all their drinks, like, they're good, but they're so, like, high in sugar and stuff, so I might just grab Tim Hortons today because it's cheaper and it's better for you than the Starbucks drinks, even though they're so yummy. But I already just had one on Friday and it's only Tuesday, so one a week is probably a good, maybe even twice a week for the holiday season. But anyways, yeah, excited to get out of the house today. I was in the house all day yesterday, so I kind of just knew I needed to get out just for my own sanity. And then I'll probably go home and play with the dogs, do my workout, and make dinner, and that would be my day. So it's gonna be a good day. It's so nice and sunny.
Good morning, Mary speaking. How may I help you?
Hi, can I just have a medium regular, please?
A medium regular?
Yeah.
Anything else?
No, that's it.
Okay, see you at the window.
Thank you. Thank you. Okay, just made it to the mall, and I've legit never seen this much parking here before. I got here nice and early, and I have my Tim Hortons. I have to leave it in here though because you have to wear a mask, but anyone else think that they could have done a better job on their holiday cups? Like, I don't know. Like, really? That's all you could come up with? A bite out of a donut and a weird streaky snowman? Maybe I don't understand it, but I don't know. Personal opinion. So I'm gonna go in, and I really want to look for, I want to try on the Flow Y bra from Lululemon because I saw Melissa Merck wear it, and I'm like, wow, that's really cute. And that's mostly what I wear now because I wear a lot of like athleisure, so I'm gonna go look at that. Make sure I have a mask. I have a dog bag. So I'm gonna look at that and what else I can find. I want to go to Winners, just a bunch of different places, so let's get at it. Okay, I just got done in the mall. I didn't find anything, but I did find this one half zip ready to, I think it's the Ready to Rulo at Lululemon, and I was like, oh, I want that, but then I was like, I don't really need it. And I tried on the sports bra and it did not fit me. Sports bras don't fit me properly because I have a really wide rib cage, so it's really hard to find one that fits me, which is pretty annoying. So yeah, anyways, I went to Walmart, and where's my phone at? I got this peanut butter cup protein bar. I wanted to try it. I'll take a picture of it. And I got these Red Velvet Pure Proteins. I just needed something, or else if I don't have a protein bar, like, I eat like something else and it's not healthy. I got this eyeshadow palette from Wet n Wild. It is the Silent Treatment. I've had the pink version of this. It's the Walking on Eggshells forever. I just repurchased a new one, but I've had it for so long and I love it. And then I got these bright, clean, exfoliating wipes for my face. So I'm just gonna eat. this protein bar. I'm really hungry. And then I think I'm just gonna end up going to Costco because I really want to return that thing. And maybe I'll end up getting lunch after. Let's try this. Nah. Not as good as I thought it was gonna be. Okay, let's go to Costco. Okay, so at Costco, I grabbed these protein bars to try. Kind of disappointed that there's only one flavor, so hopefully it's good. I love that guy. He does the restaurant, what's it called? It's like when he goes in and tears apart their business. And there's only 3 grams of sugar, 16 protein, 190 calories, so hopefully it's good. And then I exchanged my small for the large, extra large, so hopefully this fits. I'm gonna try it on in a minute. And then I got some men's joggers. Let me show you. So they're just like comfy joggers that aren't necessarily sweatpants. They're more like athletic joggers, and I didn't try them on obviously, so I like how they are high-waisted. That's why I like men's stuff. They're high-waisted more. They're a little tight right here because boys don't usually have the hips right here, but I think they're like super comfy and kind of like a classier pair of sweatpants. I could probably wear these out more than like my other black pair of sweatpants that I never wear because they fit really weird. But I also got my mom some balance breaks. She loves these things and I do too. They're really good for like bringing to work. They're just nuts and cheese and cranberries, and they're really expensive at the grocery store, but they're really good price at Costco. And then I also got some sausage rounds for Derek and I for at home because we ran out, but we eat these every Saturday and Sunday morning if we're home. And I also like to have them for dinner. Like if Derek's not coming home, I'm like, okay, let's have a breakfast sandwich because they're super easy. So that's what I'm doing. And it is almost 2 o'clock, so I think I'm gonna put on a workout and do a quick workout, and then I have to make dinner. And I just took out some ground turkey, so I'm either gonna make turkey meatballs, we don't make turkey meatballs tonight, I haven't made those in a while. Turkey meatballs, turkey tacos, or turkey burgers. But now that I said that, I think I'm gonna try to make the meatballs again because they're really good. So I'm just gonna put on a sports bra and do a workout. So just swatched this makeup palette and it looks so pretty. The dark one's obviously, I don't know how to do this. This one is the crease color. This one is the lid color, which is like this really pretty purple. And then this one is the eyebrow, or no, transition. And this one is the eyebrow, this really nice white one. I'm excited to try this out. I also tried on the balaclava and I still don't like balaclavas. This one doesn't even fit me like either, and it's a large, extra large. Like, I don't know why they make them so small. And I want to learn how to double French braid my hair, so I might try to see if I can do that right now, like just look at a YouTube video and practice, because then it gets it out of the way. Look what happens. Okay, what? It's just like, it's really tight here, which I know it's supposed to be, but then it doesn't even go that far down the back of your neck. I wish it went down like here, so that, because when your helmet's on, it's gonna push it up a bit. And so you can wear it this way, you can wear it like this, or without this, but this then where does this go? Because if you have a helmet on, you can't just leave it there. So I think it's just like tuck it in, and then you can wear it either like this or just as a neck warmer. But again, like it's showing my back here, so kind of weird. Not sure if they're all like that, but I'll give it a try. It was only $10. And we'll see it. It's longer here, which makes me want to turn it around. But then you have this. So we'll see. I think I'm actually gonna Google though how to do French braids and try to French braid my hair. So I just opened a video and it has 1.3 million views, but the first comment says, "Who confused themselves so many times they started crying?" We're off to a good start.
Hey, Santa, the city is covered in snow tonight. Where did my love go? Santa, I'm waiting for him, but he's nowhere inside. And all of the presents are still by the tree. They don't mean a thing till he's here with me.
It's some work, but it's a start. Okay, I practiced some more in the bathroom, and I think I'm getting better. I think it looks super cute, like under a helmet or under a hat, and then it keeps your hair together. Okay, wait, I don't like these out. It keeps your hair all together and out of your face. Interesting. Okay, so they didn't have any tomato sauce here, so I can't make my meatballs. So I'm just gonna do some turkey tacos. So I just have it on saute, and then I'm going to add some taco seasoning and some ranch seasoning, because that just makes it so much better. So I have half a packet of ranch here, and then I'm gonna get some taco seasoning, and then we're gonna have tacos. Plus it's Tuesday, so I thought that that was appropriate. Taco, and that will be my night. So I'll probably show you my tacos, but thank you for tuning in, and I will see you tomorrow. It's all ready, but no one's home yet, so I'm just gonna put it on warm, and that's my favorite part about the Instant Pot. I'm gonna throw the lid on, put it on warm, and then dinner's ready whenever everybody gets home.
Let's start to chew.
Yeah.